Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to delete your shop on Facebook. Now, it's so easy to do that, but all you have to do is to go to your Facebook account, go to your Facebook page, and look for the More option here. But as you can see, when I click More and go to Manage Sections, I cannot see the shop button or icon here. Even if you go to Edit Page and edit your profile or bio information, you cannot see the shop option here. Maybe it's because of my country or there's something wrong with my Facebook page or I don't know. But there's another way on how to add a shop button or link to your profile. All you have to do is to go to this three dots here and then click edit action, click change button, and then tap this view shop, click next, and then all you have to do is to paste the link or your website there. So when someone visits your profile and they can see your links here or your shop here, all they have to do is to click this and it will take them directly to your shop. So how to delete your shop on your Facebook? All you have to do is to go back to edit action button and then scroll down, look for edit your about info, and then scroll down here. Now all you have to do is to click the pencil icon, delete this one, remove, click save, and also the same thing with this, remove or leave it as empty, and then click save. The same thing with having a shop button on your Facebook. All you have to do is to delete your shop. There is an icon there or a button there that says delete shop. All you have to do is to tap that one, then it will delete your shop on your Facebook. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in our next video.